Safety Toolbox Talk number 240. Importance of flammability. Definition: flammability refers to the ability of a substance to ignite and sustain combustion when exposed to an ignition source. It is a critical property in determining the fire hazards associated with various materials. The concept encompasses several key aspects, including how easily a substance can catch fire, how it burns, and the conditions under which it ignites. Understanding flammability. Flashpoint. The flashpoint is the minimum temperature at which a substance's vapor can ignite in air. It's a key indicator of flammability. Substances with low flash points ignite more easily compared to those with higher flash points. Ignition temperature. This is the temperature at which a substance will spontaneously ignite, without an external ignition source. It is often higher than the flash point and is critical for understanding the conditions under which a substance might catch fire. Flammable range. The flammable range, or explosive range, is the range of concentrations of a vapor in air that can ignite. Below the lower flammable limit, LFL, or above the upper flammable limit, UFL, the vapor-air mixture is too lean or too rich to ignite. 2. Types of flammable substances. Flammable liquids. These are liquids with a flash point below 60 degrees Celsius 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Examples include gasoline and ethanol. They easily evaporate to form flammable vapors. Combustible liquids. Liquids with a flash point above 60 degrees Celsius, but below 93 degrees Celsius 200 degrees Fahrenheit are classified as combustible. Examples include diesel and kerosene. Flammable solids. These include materials that can catch fire easily under normal conditions, such as certain metals, e.g. magnesium, and organic materials. Gases. Flammable gases can ignite when mixed with air or oxygen within their flammable range. Examples include propane and methane. 3. Factors affecting flammability. Chemical composition. The presence of certain functional groups or chemical bonds can affect how easily a substance ignites and burns. Temperature and pressure. Higher temperatures and pressures can affect a substance's flammability. For example, increasing the temperature can lower the flash point. Vapor pressure. Substances with high vapor pressure can produce more vapors at a given temperature, increasing the likelihood of forming a flammable mixture with air. Concentration. The concentration of the substance in the air affects its flammability. A mixture that is too lean or too rich will not ignite. 4. Testing flammability. Flashpoint testing. Common methods for determining the flash point include the closed cup, e.g. Penske Martins, and open cup, e.g. Cleveland, tests. These tests help determine the lowest temperature at which a substance can produce an ignitable vapor. Ignition temperature testing. Tests for ignition temperature determine the point at which a substance will spontaneously ignite without an external flame. Flammability limits testing. This involves determining the lower and upper flammable limits of a substance to understand the range of concentrations that can ignite. 5. Safety considerations. Storage. Flammable materials must be stored in appropriate conditions, such as cool, well-ventilated areas away from ignition sources. Containers should be properly labeled and designed to minimize vapor release. Handling. Safe handling procedures include using protective equipment, controlling temperatures, and avoiding actions that might produce sparks or flames. Regulations. Compliance with safety regulations and standards, e.g. OSHA, NFPA, ensures that flammable substances are managed safely in workplaces and other environments. Emergency preparedness. Understanding flammability helps in developing emergency response plans, including fire prevention, firefighting techniques, and training for handling incidents involving flammable materials. 6. Applications and implications. Industrial use. In manufacturing and processing, knowing the flammability of materials helps in designing safe processes and preventing fires. Transportation. Transporting flammable substances requires adherence to specific regulations and safety measures to prevent accidents during transit. Consumer products. Flammability information is crucial for consumer products to ensure they are safe for use and meet regulatory standards. Environmental impact. Proper management of flammable substances helps prevent environmental contamination and hazards due to spills or accidents. Thank you.